Alright guys, today is another video from Pix and Kaiser Kai Cruz Plays. We're gonna be making a video about Azure SMP. I joined like a week ago and I am the main villain in Azure SMP, so I will show you guys the server. So guys, see ya. Watch the video until the end.
Ikaw ba? Ha?
Hey guys, this is Azure SMP. Alright, I will show you the players and I will show you we're building right now, but I'm recording my first video of Azure SMP, so let me show you the players. Alright guys, here. Let me find the player. Yeah, we're building something. Yeah, I forgot where to join. I forgot where we're building. Let me just tip it to them. As you see, I'm in creative for this video. But the admins are not gonna abuse their powers. Okay, put them. Alright guys, here we're building a new empire because the old empire got blown up by a hacker, and we're building right now using redstone mechanics to hide the base. A hacker got into the server, so we're building a new empire. By the way, I am the main villain in this SMP. I am the main villain and they're making my empire right now. I will help later because I'm filming right now. Guys, I'm not that lazy, but this SMP is scripted too. Sometimes we film and sometimes you can just be like in survival, guys. And the mods and admins are not gonna abuse their powers, cause I'm the head admin and I will check on the mods and admins if they abuse their powers, and of course I will not abuse my powers as well. But right now we're gonna play right now we're just gonna like let you guys see what they are building right now. We're building this in the underground base so the hacker cannot find this, so the empire will be safe. And right now, go check Orangey YouTube channel. Yeah, this is my first video recorded as ever. We're on we're gonna film episode 4 part 3 or episode 8 and 9. I don't know, guys. It's all up to the owner what are we gonna film. So here's the other player building the redstone mechanics. Here's the other two players. And guys, you can join by just adding me in Discord or just commenting y'all Discord. Comment y'all Discord and I will add you guys, and I will add you too in the SMP. But guys, comment y'all Discord. So bye guys, see ya. I gotta build right now. Bye. And guys, make sure to subscribe to RNG because it's one of the main characters. Bye.